Hello there, welcome to the channel. Welcome back, perhaps. We're going handheld here for one last little experiment today, and this involves the Superego and how it responds when the decay time is turned down, going through the fuzz. So we will turn on our fuzz there. Worth noting, it's still not a setup that we've really worked a lot on with the Fender Blender there, specifically for use with the Superego. So what we're going to do is turn the latch mode on like this and get our samples going there, and maybe it's latching onto a silence. Maybe what we want to do is turn our dry signal up there. There we go. Okay, let's take that out for now. And the question is, do we get a different effect on the fuzz when the decay is set differently? So for example, you hear that? We're still getting a long decay, but we seem to be getting some different effects from the fuzz. So if we take another grab from this clarinet samples, it's a different effect than if it's on infinite. That's on infinite decay, but when we bring it down, it's definitely a different effect with the fuzz. Maybe we need even faster decay. Now the decay is getting too short. Okay, seeing as that's on infinite and we're getting the same effects that we were getting from that particular note, I'm inclined to believe that it doesn't make a huge difference if we decay things. Or does it? This is a tricky one. What beautiful shifting internal rhythms there. I think that that's our takeaway here, is this idea of internal rhythms. you can definitely hear there's like a consistent internal rhythm there. Doesn't change hugely when it's decay, when the decay is turned down from infinite. Okay. Get consistent again, but yeah, I personally don't think that it makes a huge amount of difference. The internal rhythms there are definitely very interesting, regardless of infinite or less than infinite decay. However, I don't see that much difference when it's brought down from infinite. Maybe it depends on the note as well. Okay, another little interesting artifact to bear in mind. Lovely stuff. I hope this has been as interesting and enjoyable for you as it has been for me. And please join us again another time if you can. In the meantime, take care.